Good morning, guys. We're going to do something. We are going to find the best scalping trade setup this morning. Probably maybe not what you expected me to say. Here's what most people are feeling, and let's just be honest with ourselves if we can. Most people are waking up this morning thinking, this is so frustrating. The market's going down. I'm losing money. Guys, that is exactly what the markets wants you to think. And I will be doing probably a Bitcoin video today or tomorrow, but I want to make sure I show this to you guys. Let's go to Bitcoin. We are now pushed down in here very close into the fearful section. Most likely we'll probably hit into the fearful section this morning for the emotional index. When you see the emotional index on Bitcoin get fearful or anxious, this is where you guys need to be setting up trades. I come out here and I show you guys these testimonials of where people are doing this is a new testimony, I haven't even seen it, but people are in here doing $23,000 worth of trend exhaustion price as well money flow. This was last week in one single week. How are people doing 23 grand? How is this guy doing $6,310 over here on 88 in Solana? How are these guys doing 3,500? These guys are using our indicators and their metrics, and they're watching for drops in the market. When drops happen, this is where you guys need to be getting excited. This is where people are making the money. It is when you guys see people like this in 4 days doing $43,000, the trend exhaustion and well money flow, guys. I'm going to make this a video. We are literally going to find the best scalping trade setup you guys can take today in the market. And I'm going to be going over that. But make sure you guys are setting yourself up with the tools that you guys need. The indicators in the description, they're 82% off. Let's dive in. Let's go. Let's get into this. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to follow the strategy from beginning to end, and I'm going to show you guys all of this, all right? We're currently sitting at 121 wins and 0 losses. We have never lost a trade, and the strategy I'm going to show you guys today is what we use on our bigger strategy, which is called basically the trade confidence strategy, where we end up we try to target between 10 to 12% per trade. We're only going to be going for 3 to 4% on this scalping setup that we're looking for right now. And last but not least, let me show this to you guys. The masterclass that expresses and shows how to do this is underneath our masterclass, which is on masterclass 7 if you guys want a little bit more in-depth tutorial. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. In order to get access to all of it, you guys can get our membership here. It's only $95 a month. You'll get all of the metrics as well as the Instagram, my apologies, guys, the Telegram access, the community chat. And I'm going to go live on Telegram in 4 days with you guys. In Telegram, I'm going to send out a link. It's going to link us over, and we're going to go live on Zoom. So watch the Telegram channel for me to send out that link for the Zoom that we're going to be going over the markets. Okay, you guys ready to find the best trade setup today? This is time to get excited, and I want to do a video for this. First things we're looking for, guys, we're looking for trend exhaustion to be in the bottom red section and well money flow to be low. Bitcoin is not as low as I'd like, so we're just going to move on to the next coin. I'm just going to keep this open, and we're going to go down here. Ethereum. Let's take a look at this in here. So we have Ethereum pushing down really low. So Ethereum is definitely one we want to be looking for this morning. So let's take a look at this. I'm actually going to write this down on the iPad so we can keep track of this. So Ethereum is one of the coins we want to be looking at. Actually, let's do this. This will be more fun. Let's go like this. Let's put a mark next to it as we start seeing ones. Okay, trend exhaustion is low on ADA as well as the price as well money flow is low. Yes, everybody who took the Cardano trade last week, you guys have not lost that trade at all. Nobody has ever lost a trade ever if you guys are following our strategy. All you guys are doing is you're hitting buy limits, okay? Those of you guys who took the 88 trade last week, let me just give you guys a quick update on that because I actually wrote everything down here, 88 scalp. Your guys' entry was at 108 and your first buy limit was at 92 cents. So you guys actually haven't even hit your first buy limit yet, and you guys still have 3 other ones to hit, or at least 2. Guys, you're doing so well. Let the market drop and you'll get more money in, okay? Stay excited. If you're following this strategy, it's going to be really hard to lose. So, ADA, yes. Dogecoin. Let's take a look at Doge this morning. We're not in the bottom red section, and the well money flow is not low. We are going to skip that. It's not greater confirmation. Okay, let's look at Link. Link is down. Perfect. This is what we want to be looking at. AVAX. Yes, that's in the bottom red section. Well money flow is low. So boom, we're just going to be looking at these guys. Mana. Yes, that's in the bottom red section. We definitely want to be looking for a scalp on there. Matic. Yes, bottom red section, and well money flow is moving down. We're almost like you can pretty much pick any coin, you're going to find this morning. Yes, check there. EOS. Are we in the bottom red section? We're not for EOS, so we want to be skipping that. VET is in the bottom red section, and well money flow is low. Awesome. Let's look at Solana real quick here. Well money flow is not at the bottom super far, and that's not even at the bottom, so we're going to skip on Solana. Sheeb at the moment. Sheeb, are you coming through? No, that's not at the bottom. It could go lower. I'm really meticulous, guys, about finding the coins that are really, really low in the bottom red section. How about that? How about Luna, guys? Oh my gosh, that's a great one right there. Okay, now that we have a ridiculous amount of coins over here that we can trade here, what I like to do is go back one more time and look to see which one has the lowest, my apologies, guys, which one has the lowest price versus well money flow green line. Okay, let's look at Ethereum. Is it super low? We're not too bad. We're getting down there pretty far. ADA is not too bad. Link, that's actually more in the center point, not as low, so I'm going to take that off. We're just going to narrow this down to the best one. This is sitting right about here, and it could be a lot lower, so I'm going to take off AVAX. Mana this morning is sitting up here. That we can take that off. Matic this morning, I've seen other ones lower. We already saw lower ones on ADA. DOT, that's pretty low. We're definitely keeping that on. VET, DOT is actually lower than VET, so I'm going to take that off. You guys can still scalp these, by the way. You can still do this, but I'm just trying to find the best one with the most confirmation this morning, and that's pretty low as well. Okay, we've got 4 coins here we're looking at. So now that we narrowed it down this morning, this is the fun part. Now we get to go over to the metrics here. So let's take a quick look at Ethereum. Is our emotional index sitting into the anxious or fearful section? Yes, it is. As we come down here, are we pushed up into the trades in favor? Is it in a good long trade? Well, we're sitting kind of in the middle here. And if we look down here, we're going to look also over here to see what Wells are doing. Are they buying? Yes, they're kind of buying, but it's moving back to short trades. Okay, that's an assessment on Ethereum. Now let's go over here. Let's take a look at the next coin. Actually, let's do this. It's going to be so much faster. Do the search bar up here, and let's go to ADA. All right, let's take a look at this. Emotional section, yes, it's anxious over here. We're looking down here. We're going to go to trades in favor. Okay, trades in favor actually pushed down here, and this is closer into a good long trade. So I can see right now, based off this, let me look at this. Okay, this is a stronger sign. It's going to go up than Ethereum. So I'm going to take Ethereum off. Okay, we're going to take this off here. Now we're going to go over and we're going to look at DOT, and we're going to compare that. So let's come over here. Let's go to the crypto charts, or you can just come over here and do DOT, probably faster. Now let's look at DOT. Are we in the anxious section? Yes, check. We're looking down here. What is the trades in favor showing? Yes, we're in a good long trade. Great, I love that. Well, institutional smart money, they're buying as well. It's super strong, so I want to keep that on the chart. Let's go down over here to Luna now, okay? Let's go up here. We're going to search. We're going to go to Luna. I'm going to show you guys even how to do the trade setups and all this stuff. It's pretty awesome. Okay, W Luna, Terra. Let's move down here. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, fearful section. This is absolutely the best one to look for a setup as far as the emotional index. This may be our coin today. Market cap is heading down like insane. So that's actually a really good sign. This is sitting down the furthest that I can see right now for a good long trade. Do you guys see how this is further down than DOT and ADA? Let's take a look at this. And this is very strong as well for longs. Okay, the absolute winner, hands down, is Luna. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. We're going to take this off here. And now we get into the fun part. This is where you guys can set up this trade. I'll be honest, guys. I don't have money to set this trade up because I do have money. I've got $22,000, but they're all on buy limits right now. So follow this if you guys have extra money in the accounts and you guys want to trade this. This is a very good trade. We've narrowed down all 14 coins down to the best coin based off indicators as well as metrics. It is, like I said in the other videos, guys, it's very hard to lose these trades if you use risk management, okay? The trade over here that you guys are in, the break-even is up here at 106. If this heads down even further to our third buy limit, this break-even entry is going to start screaming down to here, and it's going to make us more money as we get back into the profit. Okay, watch this for Luna right now. As you guys see, emotional index low. Trades in favor, we're seeing long trades increase a little bit here and short trades staying the same. Bullish sign. Look at the market cap over here. It is tanking. When the market cap tanks, that's when you want to be buying, okay? Looking at trades in favor, we're sitting down here in a good long trade, as well as institutions and smart money. They are going long as well. Okay, let's move down. Look at this. And this is also telling us, this was a great time to look to be going long. And now you guys are getting in even lower than that. So here's what you guys do. I will be giving this away out. I usually want to keep this for our subscribers only. But what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to use our metrics over here. What you can do this morning is you have 4 different buy limits, okay? All 4. And again, I know I say this so much, I'm annoying you guys to death. But please use the buy limits when you're scalping. Do not enter any of our scalping trades without using buy limits, okay? So as your first buy limit gets hit this morning, what you're going to do is you're simply just going to scalp this for 3 to 4%. But let me give you the setup here. Let's say you guys are trading with $1,000. You choose the amount. Okay, split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so it's going to be $250 each. Now, you're literally going to place $250 or a fourth or whatever you want to enter in. Literally, guys, if you have $400, it's going to be $100. It's really simple. Just split it into 4s, okay? And again, you want to use all 4 because you're above the equator. You take the low and you take the high of a coin, and you look at the middle. Because we're above the middle, you want to use all 4 buy limits. If we're below the middle, you can use 3, but you definitely want to be using 4. Please hear my words. You need to be using 4 on this, okay? This is how you're going to win this trade. Seriously, this is going to be extremely hard to lose this trade. Split that into 4 different buy limits. You're going to see 4 yellow lines like this, okay? Just like you see over here. This is literally the live chart for, you can see it, wrap Luna. Once that first buy limit is hit, all you guys are looking for is 3 to 4%. And I would say with a drop like this, it wouldn't be bad to look for 4%. That's all you're looking for. Guys, it is a 3% scalp trade that you are looking for in the market. If you get into this and this starts blasting up here and you forget to take your sell limit at 4%, that's fine. You guys can hold this back into the profit of where I'm going to be exiting up here, and you guys are going to do over 20%, because that's where the break-even entry is. You can hold that. But seriously, guys, you have to be getting excited. You have to watch your emotions this morning. How many of you, if you're honest with yourselves, put it in our chat on our thing, woke up and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm scared and I'm nervous. No, guys, it's okay to have feelings. Don't hear me otherwise of saying you can't have feelings. Yes, you need to have those, but keep them in check. This is where you guys need to be setting up trades. The scalping on this is going to be insane. Now, let me explain to you further. If this market goes down, you have 4 buy limits. Just as the market went from here to here, our break even did not stay over here at 115. It moved down to 106. It saved us on this trade over here a total from the top here to where we're at about 7%. That's exactly what's going to happen to you guys. And if the market goes back down here, and there's no guarantee it will, probably is going to bounce pretty soon here. If it goes down, your break-even entry is going to go down even further, and then you're just going to take 4% of that and put it into your exchange. Last but not least, guys, let me show you this. Once you're in here, all you have to do is take the price, 86.22. And guys, by the way, this is a market order in. You do not have to wait for the buy limits to get hit for a scalp. As long as you see trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, you can get in right now. So all of you guys are watching this video and you're getting in about 86.20. Take 86.20 times 1.04, and that will give you your sell limit at 89.64. So 89.64 is where your guys' sell limit's going to be. Let me give it 89.64. Like, that's it. That's all it is right there. And there's 4% you guys are going to make this morning. And then guess what? If it goes down, do it again and do it again and do it again. And if it goes down, you're going to get more money in the market. Let's say you have $1,000. Your second 1,000 is going to hit. And when it goes up 3 to 4%, you're going to make double the money when the buy limits hit. And on top of that, you have really good risk management. Guys, do you see now how we have never lost a trade ever trading crypto? And there's no better strategy to trade than this. And I'm not trying to be arrogant. This has been proven time after time with our traders. You guys see me doing testimonials like this. You know, I'm coming out and I'm showing you guys, a guy made $43,000, literally $43,000 in 4 days. This guy does $100 to $400 a week on average. The way these guys are doing this is they're waiting for the market to drop. They're getting in. They're watching the indicators. $3,500 in a single week, guys. $23,000 using the trend exhaustion and price response money flow. With this strategy, make sure you guys are getting our indicators, which are 82% off today. Make sure you guys are snagging that. You guys are also going to get all 6 indicators on top of this, so a total of 9 indicators with our bundle pack. And it's a one-time purchase, so make sure you guys are setting yourselves up today for success. Get in here, get the bundle pack, make sure you guys are setting everything up, and look for these scalping trades. You can do this every single day. I do believe a bounce is due in the market. If you guys watch the S&P 500 here, you can see that we're at a very strong support here, which is what's called a bounce zone. This is most likely going to probably try to see a bounce back up. That 3 to 4% is going to be easy to hit. If it does not, what do we have? We have buy limits in the market, guys. This is how we keep winning trades over and over, and we don't get nervous when the market drops. We get excited. I hope you can hear it in my voice, guys. We're excited when this happens because this is where people start making the good money. All right, guys? Make sure you have the indicators in the description. Come over here today, get a membership so you have access to all the metrics. And guys, join the chat. Talk about the community. Talk about what you're feeling today in the community chat. People will encourage you. They're going to say, guys, set up your buy limits. You know, make sure you have your risk management set up. We've been here before. It's all about setting up buy limits, letting the risk management take over. And this is where you guys should be. You need to be in community while this is happening. If you woke up this morning and got frustrated, I know it sounds opposite, guys, and this is the difference between pros and those that are not. You guys need to come over, pay the money to get into a family of traders that if they follow the strategy, they've never lost trades. I've never lost a trade ever, and then be part of the community. I'm going to be going live on Zoom. Okay, on Zoom, I'm going live here. Literally, the live community chat here on the inner Zoom. I'm going live in 4 days. I will talk to you guys about the market drop, about emotions. I'll answer your questions. We're doing this as a family. Don't do this alone. Be together with a team and a family over here that cares about you guys, okay? So make sure you guys are subscribed. Get the indicators as well in the description. And join us, guys. I think you're going to love our family, and we're just going to be doing this together. All right, guys, watch for the bounce here on crypto, and then we're going to be seeing Once the bounce goes 4%, look to get back into another scalping trade, guys. That's all I've got for you guys. Have a good one. I'll come out with one more video today later, but watch the scalping trades today. Those are going to be the best setups, and Luna is the best trade setup to take today based off all the indicators and metrics. And there you guys go. You have your entry. You guys can enter right now and use the buy limits for risk management, and you guys will probably get that very quickly. Probably within, I would say, the next 3 days, you're going to probably hit that, if not today. All right, guys, God bless you. Everything you need is in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.